We should start by covering fundamental analysis for stocks. An important ratio most fundamental analysts use is known as the PE ratio, or the price to earnings ratio. Like its name suggests, it takes the stock price per share divided by the earnings per share. You get the earnings per share simply by the total profits of the company after tax divided by the total number of shares of the company. Explained in a more logical way, the PE ratio measures how much an investor is paying for the company's stock for every $1 of earnings earned by the company. For example, a PE of 10 means that an investor who buys a stock now is paying $10 for every $1 earned by the company this year. Logically, to see the investment as value for money, an investor will want to pay as little as possible for as much earnings as possible. Hence, usually the lower the value of this ratio, the more value for money the company's stock is.